Today, we will talk about how to survive a flood. Let's have a look at the details. Floods can strike quickly and with little warning in many parts of the world. Surviving a flood is a combination of preparation and appropriate action. As soon as the disaster begins, prepare yourself for a flood by packing an emergency kit and finding shelter. Stay away from water and stick to high ground during the flood. The first method is making a flood survival plan. Identify where to go during an evacuation. Sit down with your family to establish a plan of action. Create a family communications plan. Write down contact information, neighborhood meeting spots, and personal identification details. It'll make everyone easier to find in case of an emergency. Assemble an emergency supplies kit. Ready a kit that includes basic necessities. A good kit will have enough food and water for everyone for at least 3 days. Bring a week's worth of any special medications your family needs, and a first aid kit. The second method is escaping floodwaters. Evacuate dangerous areas immediately. You may have only a short time to escape. Act quickly, utilizing your planned route. Move to higher ground away from water. Whether you are on foot or have to abandon your car, higher ground is your best option. Avoid crossing through water. Keep in mind the motto, turn around, don't drown. When you're in doubt about the water depth, don't risk it. Stay out of moving water. Moving water is never safe to approach. The current is usually stronger than it appears, and even a slight current is strong enough to carry off adults and vehicles. Swim backward to survive moving water. Yelling for help makes it easier for rescuers to spot you. Don't give up until someone comes for you. The third method is protecting your home. Insure your house against flooding. Flood insurance can save you a lot of hassle if your home or business is damaged. Check with your insurance company for policy details. Barricade your home against floodwater. Sealing your basement makes it more resistant to water. Reduce flood damage to utilities and valuables. Raise up your furnace, water heater, and electric panels. They should be installed on top of blocks or set higher in the wall than normal. This will better prevent them from getting wet. The fourth method is following news and warnings. Listen to the news for flood risk warnings. Flooding information can be found on your local news or weather station's TV channel or website. Watch known flood areas. Keep an eye on dangerous areas such as drainage channels, canyons, and streams. Listen to the authorities for directions. If you are evacuated, don't attempt to go home until the authorities say it's safe to do so. And the fifth method is returning home after a flood. Watch out for damaged areas. Find alternate routes over high ground, or wait for the authorities to indicate which roads are safe. Avoid downed electrical lines and flooded areas. Assume any floodwater you see is also dangerous. Turn off all electrical and gas lines. Your home may have suffered structural damage, including wet electrical wires and gas leaks. Don't depend on standard power sources. Use a stick to check for snakes. Dangerous animals may have washed into your home or taken shelter there. Overturn hidden areas with a stick or pole as you search for damage. Take pictures of your home for insurance purposes. This may be the last thing you think of, but it's important to document the damage. Doing this will make insurance claims, disaster assistance applications, and income tax deductions much easier to complete down the road. Make repairs to your home. Your house may be unsafe to occupy. A sump pump, wet-dry shop vacuum, or water pump will remove standing water. Clean your home. Mud and water that wash into your home can contain sewage and dangerous chemicals. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.